Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Red Dead Redemption 2 PC. First, connect your PS4 controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a wired connection, or for wireless play, activate Bluetooth pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Then, simply pair it through your PC's Bluetooth settings, usually found in the system tray or control panel. This initial step is crucial for your computer to recognize the device. Next, we'll leverage Steam's powerful controller support. Open Steam and switch to Big Picture mode, which is designed for controller navigation. Once there, navigate to the Settings menu and select Controller Settings. It's vital to enable PlayStation configuration support here. This setting allows Steam to properly interpret your PS4 controller's inputs and translate them for games, ensuring a seamless experience within Red Dead Redemption 2. With Steam configured, launch Red Dead Redemption 2 directly through your Steam library. Once in the game, head into the Settings menu, typically found under Controls or Game Settings. You should see an option to select your input device, where your PS4 controller should now be recognized. Take a moment to verify the button mappings and adjust any sensitivity settings to your personal preference, ensuring comfortable and precise gameplay across the vast open world. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and best practices. Always ensure your PS4 controller's firmware is up to date for optimal performance. If you encounter any issues, try closing other background applications that might interfere with controller input. For advanced customization, or if Steam's support isn't sufficient, consider using third-party software like DS4 Windows. A simple restart of both your PC and controller can often resolve minor glitches, getting you back into the action quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.